Once the base floor slab is done, let's go ahead and add doors. To add doors, just click on this option, doors, and there will be preloaded families in Revit. You can either choose from here or you can go to load family, and there are certain families that will appear in your library, material library, or you can download it from an outer source. Now, I've given you a list of websites. I will be attaching the list of those websites in the PDF. You can get access to those websites and you can download any type of door you want to and just load it over here. For now, I'm going to go ahead with a simple door. Let's go ahead with a bigger one. And you can only place the doors on the walls. Like for example, if you just want to place it anywhere else, it won't appear. As you can see, it'll only appear on the walls. So just go ahead and place it and just click on the door. This is the swing door. You can change the direction of the swing doors by using these options. If you want to flip it uh, horizontally, you can click over here. If you want to flip it vertically, you can click on this. Okay. Similarly, let's add doors to the bedrooms. Just click on this door, click on press CS, that is create similar, and go ahead and add doors. Flip. Okay. So that is done. For bathrooms, let's use smaller doors. Okay. You can also, if you measure the dimension of the door, the width is 3, and you can check the height over here by clicking on annotate, spot elevation, and as you can see, the entire height is 7.3, and the frame height including the frame, but just the door height is 7. You can, if you want to change the dimensions of this door, you can do that by clicking on edit type, and here you have the options of changing the materials of the door material, frame material. You can change the thickness, height, trim projection exterior, trim projection interior, trim width, the entire width of the door. You can change anything. If you want to, say for example, keep the door height to 8, you can do that. And your door height changes. Okay, I'm going to keep that at 7. So, okay. Similarly, you can add any type of door of your choice, and you can change the door height, width, or your thickness, or your materials, or anything. So this is how it looks after placing the doors. After you've placed the doors, let's place the windows as well. So to place the windows, go to architecture and click on windows option. Similarly, like doors, you have preloaded families, or you can load a family from an outer source. I'm going to go ahead and choose one of these and add the windows. I will be adding one over here. So one over here. If you want to move, you can move it by just using the basic up and down keys. And here, as you can see, this is again the swing door option. If you see it in the 3D view, the interior of the window has come outside. Just if you want to flip it, either you can click on the wall and press on this button to flip the windows, or you can just press spacebar. That will just flip the window. Spacebar. Now I want to increase the width. As you can see, the width of this window comes around 4.9. I want to keep this at 5. So let's do that by clicking on edit type and change the width over here to 5. Okay. So the window's width has been modified. Now we're good to go. If you want to change the elevation, the height of the window, you can change that over here at sill height. As you can see, let me just show it to you. The sill height of the window is at 3, including the frame. So if you want to change this, just click on the window and change it over here. Say to 8. That'll bring the window down. So similarly, you can either increase the height or you can decrease it. So the windows are also placed, the doors are placed. Now let's go ahead and add the flooring. For the flooring, we're going to go to architecture, press on floor. Here we have a 6-inch thickness. We don't want that thick flooring. Go to edit type and go to duplicate, and let's change it to living room floor. So that way it'll be easier for us to make out what floor we're using. So you can keep the name to anything you want to as per your choice, as per your convenience. Go to edit type. Let's change the thickness to say 1 inch. Okay. Again, you have the options of either modeling it by hand or by picking lines or picking walls. I am going to go ahead with pick lines. So by using this option, you can just pick the lines if you know the boundary. Okay, as you can see, it's a little messed up. It has picked the entire line. If you don't want to do this and then later trim and extend it, you can just manually draw everything